We'll be crocheting from the right side. Remove the insole. Use hook to clear the holes if obstructed. Ensure the toe is facing you. Find a marked line on the right side. Locate the marked line in this area and insert the hook into the adjacent hole. If you can't find it, you can estimate the width by using your fingers. It's approximately the width of 3 fingers. Position the yarn. Use hook grab the yarn to draw out a loop. Insert the hook into the loop and adjust the loop as needed. Hold the yarn tail with your left hand and leave approximately 5 centimeters of yarn tail. Yarn over again. Pull up a loop to finish a chain 1. Pull over the loop and insert hook into next hole. Make sure the yarn tail is on the hook when you insert the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and keep the loops on the hook at the same level. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops to finish a single crochet. Then repeat. Continue this process until you reach the last stitch. Here we go back to the first hole to finish last single crochet. Locate the first stitch here. Insert the hook into it and make a slip stitch to complete the base. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Pull the first loop on your hook through the second loop. Extend the loop. Thread the sole through the loop. Then pull the yarn to create a knot. If the sole loses its shape, simply flip it over and gently bend it to restore its original form. Last, insert insole. Now we've completed the foundation for the base.